Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. So today I decided to film this video where I just show you guys what is in my travel makeup bag. I find these videos very interesting because I like seeing like what products people can't go without and like for what reasons and what type of vacations. I'm actually going on a vacation tomorrow, so I am gonna just film me packing my makeup bag. So I really hope that you guys find this interesting and that you enjoy. And if you do enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Let's get into this video. Quick disclaimer, if I look a little bit rough and I sound a little bit rough, it's because it's 9 p.m. right now and I have to be ready to go for my flight at 4 in the morning, and I am just now filming this video and I still have to pack. Woo! Winning! This is my makeup bag. I do have a video like this that I filmed about a year ago, but my makeup has changed a lot, so I decided to do an updated one. But this bag is still the same. It's very dirty inside. It's from Sephora, and then you can also put stuff right here. It's like really dirty and nasty, but like, please don't judge me. I cannot be cleaning this right now. I don't have time. Here's a little tip for you guys. The way I pack my makeup is I pretend like I'm doing my makeup and I just start from the first step to the next one. I don't know if everybody does that, but it's just a quick tip. So for primers, I'm gonna be taking, I always like taking 2 primers. Obviously, I like to have different reasons for them. So I'm gonna take a hydrating primer as well as a pore filling smoothing primer. I will be taking this guy. This is the e.l.f. Putty primer, as well as the Pure 4-in-1 hydrating primer. And also this one's not liquid, so that actually works out. So I'm gonna be taking these 2 primers. So for foundation, this is when it's gonna get a little bit tricky and you guys are gonna see how extra I am. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know I have been obsessed with this. This is the Givenchy Tint Couture Full Coverage Foundation. And I have the shade Y300. It's a very thin formula, but if I know I'm going somewhere where I'm probably gonna get a tan and we will be staying at a beach for a couple days, I like to bring darker shades. So I will also be bringing this. I'm sure you guys know this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I don't use this very often on my channel because it's too dark for me. Once this is a little bit too light for me, I can mix it with this, which honestly, I don't think it's very smart that I am bringing glass containers. So here's a part where I become extra. On a daily basis, especially if I'm gonna be out all day, this is for the nighttime, but if I'm gonna be out all day, I don't like wearing foundation. I actually prefer to just wear concealer and also powder foundation. So this is my favorite combo. It is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I do use the shade Golden Beige, and then I like to go over my face with the bareMinerals foundation powder. This is in the shade Neutral Medium, which is my exact skin tone, but since I am gonna be out, I just tan a lot, guys. I tan really fast, and I hate when my foundation and concealer look way too white on my face, especially in pictures. So I'm also gonna bring another bareMinerals foundation, and this one's in Golden Nude. All right, and to set all of that, this is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. You guys know, if you watch my videos, I love it. This is my ride or die. I will be taking this with me. Okay, so let's talk about contour, blush, and highlight. So for contour, I have been loving this. This is the Pure Cosmetics Bronzing Act Matte Bronzer in Light. This is what it looks like. It's actually the contour that I have on right now. It's a very natural contour, so I really like it because I don't like something super, super harsh. For bronzer, I'm probably gonna go a little bit ham because I'm very specific about my bronzer. Obviously bringing this guy, this is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I like to use the shade Deep, and this is just like the perfect bronzer that I can't go anywhere without. I hate that I'm in the bandwagon. I took forever to try this, and of course, I love it just like everyone else. But it is a little bit more on the neutral side, so I will also be bringing this guy. This is a little bit more warm tone. This is also from Pure Cosmetics, but this is a Mineral Glow Illuminating Bronzer, so this does have a little bit of a sheen, and I just like this for when I want something a little bit warmer. It might look like I'm overpacking, but I literally will use all of these products, especially again because I tan. How many times do I have to say it, guys? I do get really dark. Okay, and the last bronzer is this one. How many bronzers did I just pack? The reason why I am packing this is the Milani Golden Light 03 Spotlight Bronzer. It's kind of like a highlighter bronzer, but to be honest, I love having a luminous bronzer topper. So I like to put this on top, especially if I'm going somewhere tropical. I really like to look just like very glowy. What is up with this hair? So I'm gonna bring this for that reason. And then also, if I get like hella dark, then I could probably use this as a highlight. So for blush, I'm just bringing two, and they are my ride or die blushes. These guys right here. This is the Becca blush in the shade Snapdragon, and this is a CoverGirl Peach Punch blush in the shade Peach Punch Blush. What? Just know it's in the shade 130. So I just like them both. What I love about both of these is that they have amazing pigment and staying power, which a lot of blushes don't have. So I like to bring these everywhere that I go. For highlighters, I do have two highlighters. I am bringing this, which has been my go-to. This is the Persona Cosmetics Cali Glow Highlighter in the shade Zuma. And this is actually the highlighter that I'm wearing right now. I love this. It has an amazing formula, and it's more of a medium tone, so it looks really beautiful. But I do like also traveling with a frostier highlights for the inner corners, tip of the cheekbone, all that. And of course, Pure Cosmetics, yet again. This is the highlighter in the shade Afterglow, and this is literally amazeballs. So as you guys can see, more of a pale gold and then more of a bronzy gold. This is just everything that a girl needs. Woo! Let's finish off the face. I will be bringing this guy right here. This is the L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow little setting spray. I love this so much, so I will be bringing this with me. Okay, so we have just finished all the base products. I love that I'm like doing something that I need to do for myself and I get to film it. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. I hope that you feel like you're hanging out with me more than having to do like chores with me. I need to hydrate. So I have been obsessed with this. This is the Benefit Ka-Brow, but today I used this. This is the KOKIE Cosmetics Brow Pomade. Did I just say pomade? Pomade. And I love this one and I love this one, but I realized that this one is a little bit lighter, and I kind of like, believe it or not, this is the softer brow look. This Ka-Brow in the shade 4.5 is just a little bit darker. See how this is more of like a black brown and this is a little bit more of a medium brown? They're both amazing, but I just don't want to have very harsh brows. I will be taking this. This is the Benefit Foolproof Powder, and I have it in the shade 5. I like using this to set my pomade. And then I don't always use a brow pencil, but I like to have one on hand just in case everything looks perfect, but I just need to fill that little spot in, or maybe the tail, make it a little bit longer. So I'm just gonna bring this guy. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade 4.5, and we are not done yet. We still have 2 more brow products. Please comment down below and let me know if everyone is this extra when they pack. Are you more of a minimalist, or do you need to have everything? I will tell you, I have traveled a lot and I have packed my makeup a lot, and guys, I am not overpacking. I literally use this all, and I love the fact that I have the choice to use all this. To set the brows, again, Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And then the last product that is also Benefit, I'm falling in love with the high-end brands. This is Gimme Brow in the shade 4.5. This is for the, hey, let's just go get breakfast, don't get dressed, and kind of thing, like, oh, very casual, get my brows done real quick. So I love tinted brow gels, especially when you don't want to try. For eyeliner, I am gonna bring this for my felt tip liner. This is the Deck of Scarlet felt tip liner, and I have been loving it. It is really, really, really nice, really pigmented, and the tip is really nice and like the perfect amount of flimsiness. And then I also want to bring my new favorite eyeliner. This is the Persona Cosmetics 24-Hour Waterproof Liner in the shade Brown, and this really is waterproof. Like, I will swatch it and then go take a shower and it's still there, and it's like, oh my god. Love that. And lastly, for eyeliner, you guys know I can't go anywhere without my nude liner. The specific one, which is amazing, is the Rimmel Scandal Eyes liner in the shade Nude. I don't know why I'm like demonstrating. I'm about to go shower, but look, see the difference between this eye and this eye? This eye says, I look like an awakened doll. This eye says nothing. It doesn't say anything. It's just like, eh. I always have to bring my eyelash curler. This is the Kevyn Aucoin eyelash curler, and it's amazing. My makeup bag is getting really, really heavy. This is, you know how some people have those huge makeup bags when they travel? Look at how much I pack in this little one. Imagine if I had more space. Like, I would be a fool. Some lash glue. My favorite lash glue is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. This is amazing, and I love getting the clear one. So for lashes, I will be bringing both of my lashes. I know that sounds like I'm trying to sell you guys on my lashes, but they're my favorite lashes. So I'm gonna bring the style vianney, which is these right here. And then I forgot this case in my bag downstairs. When I wear lashes, what I like to do, let me show you guys. I like to take this out, and I like to put my glue and my tweezers in here and just bring this in my bag. Pretty cool, right? So anyways, that's why my princessa lashes are on this like random little plastic thing, and they look really ratchet, but they really are my favorite lashes. I like wearing princessa when I have more of an intricate eyeshadow look, and then I love just wearing vianney lashes when I don't have any eyeshadow on and I just want to pop on a thick lash and look good to go. Always bring your tools, scissors, and tweezers. So since we're talking about lashes, let's talk about mascara. So I have a couple favorites. I will definitely be bringing this. This is the L'Oreal The Ultimate, I always say that, it's called the Unlimited Mascara, and it's the one that like bends, but I don't care about the bend. I just love the formula and the brush. I also love using the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara to give me extra volume, and then just because I have been obsessed with the Gerard Cosmetics mascara, I'm also gonna bring this. I'm not being weird, right, by bringing this much. And you know what, I'm just gonna share a little bit secret with you. I always bring this with me. This is the Clinique Chubby Lash Fattening Mascara, and there's absolutely nothing in this, but I love this brush because it's so spiky, and this is my secret to getting perfect lashes. You apply your mascara and then you use a dry, spiky brush to comb them out. So I always bring this with me. So for eyeshadow, I honestly never go anywhere without this palette. This is the ColourPop Double Entrée palette, and if it just had a mirror, man, but it's okay. It's very affordable and it's amazing. So this is what it looks like. It has everything. It has your crease shade, a deepening burgundy, dark browns. It has a shimmery white, a pale yellow. It has everything. This is like neutral dream. I'm taking another eyeshadow palette just for one eyeshadow. So I'm taking the Desi and Katie palette. Honestly, I'm only taking it because I have been loving putting this white shade on my eyes. Here, I'll do it right now. And it creates like little sparkles. You see that? I've been doing this like every day and I love it. And I'm literally taking this whole palette just for that. I mean, obviously I'll get some use out of these, but I won't be putting on a freaking green or blue eyeshadow on my vacation, I'll tell you that. We are almost done. Okay, so for lip liners, I'm bringing 4 that are just like my ride or die. The first 2 are my own lip liners in collaboration with Delarza Cosmetics. So first we have Squad, which I wear almost every day, and it is like a very mauve brownie pink. And then also 24, which is more of that like burnt reddish brown. And I like bringing both because sometimes I want to go warmer and sometimes I want to go cooler. Also, for something lighter, I'm bringing the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Lip Liner in the shade Caramel Nude. And this is just a lighter, warmer, peachier nude. And then one of my all-time favorite lip liners is the Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice. And this is more mauve-y. It looks a lot like Squad, but it's a little bit lighter. So here is just a little close-up so you guys can see the shades that I like. Lip liners, check. I almost just dropped all my lip liners. I'm running out of room. So I don't go anywhere without this. This is the Gerard Cosmetics Grande Lips Plumping Lip Gloss. I love it. It's moisturizing and it's plumping, and I literally love using this by itself. So I'm gonna bring that. And then also, let's talk about liquid lipsticks. Okay, so for liquid lipsticks, I'm first gonna bring my lip, you know what, I kinda wanna put it on right now. My liquid lipstick in Squad. Love it, it's such a good shade. I'm bringing this, which I showed in one of my other videos. This is Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Jealousy. And this one reminds me a lot of Squad. This is what it looks like. So it's a little bit lighter, more nude. And then I'm also bringing Gerard Cosmetics 1995, which is like literally one of my favorite shades. Oh my God, they all look the same. But I can't go anywhere without all of these. And then lastly, for something a little bit more warm, which is what I was wearing before this. This is the L'Oreal liquid lipstick in the shade Explore. And this is just very beautiful reddish brownie shade. So as you guys can see, I really like mauve shades and warm reddish pinky shade. The reason why I'm bringing all these is because they all have different formulas and I love them all for different reasons. So that's why I'm bringing all of these. This is what we're looking like right now with the eyeshadow palettes. I think that's it, guys. I think I just packed. Thank you guys so much for packing with me. I know this video is all over the place. It's almost 10 o'clock and I'm delirious and I'm excited. And I just really appreciate you guys packing with me. It made it a lot more fun. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And also let me know if you're anything like me when you pack. Are you this extra or are you like hella extra or are you a minimalist? I really want to know. So yeah, guys. I love you guys very much. I will see you guys in my next video.